to understand fully what you're feeling and probably what you need to feel better, you have to understand all the different phrases and terminologies that we're using. Mental health, mental illness, and so many more, which I will spend a lot of time with a good few videos explaining them all. Let's start with mental health. Mental health, which is often called well-being or quality of life, is more or less comparing you to a ship going through choppy water. The more buoyant the ship is, the better your mental health, the better the well-being, the better the quality of life. The chopping of the water will affect you less. You won't capsize in it. This is mental health. Mental illness is something quite different. Mental illness is your ability, or in the case of mental illness, it's your inability to judge and know what reality truly is. It's a different kettle of fish. They're two different entities. There is a wee connection in the middle, but I don't think you should bother about it. So there you have our first talk, a short one, mental health, mental illness. In the next session, we will talk about why it is important that you know the terminology.